For that process, from the initial exposure till you start getting antibodies, that takes 5 to 7 days if the B cell has never seen that antigen before. If the B cell is a memory cell, it takes less than 1 day. So if I were to get infected with chickenpox viruses today, before the end of the day, I would be pumping out antibodies. My cells would be so active. They're going to be so awesome. They're going to attack and destroy that virus before I ever get it. So it gets in my body, I get infected, but I don't actually get it.
I remember my high school terror class. AIDS and the AIDS and HIV, AIDS that goes into the body, and I believe, if I remember correctly, it attacks the T cells, right?
Yeah.
The helper T cells.
So we're kind of spoiling a little bit of your homework. All right. So your lab activity, one of the lab activities for this week is to talk about the effect of HIV. Human immunodeficiency virus. Immunodeficiency. What if you have helper T cells? Then the B cells bump into the antigen. Helper T cells have to come in and say, yeah, that's a real antigen, attack and destroy. If you don't have helper T cells, they don't do the job.
So they never activate.
They don't get activated. What kills people that have AIDS, which HIV infection eventually leads to AIDS? Deficiency syndrome. So what kills people with AIDS? It's not HIV. HIV doesn't kill them. They get infected with something else. They get some weird fungal infection. That wouldn't even make you sick. You get infected with the exact same things that kill people with AIDS, and you never even get sick. Because if you attack and destroy it, it doesn't have a chance. And for what it's worth, our immune systems are awesome at killing fungi, but if fungi can survive, they're so most people that die from AIDS, they die from fungal infections, they die from really weird cancer types that healthy people don't even get it. You don't even get Kaposi sarcoma, which is one of the main killers of these cancer killers, of people that have AIDS. Why? Because they don't have enough helper T cells, so they don't have it. Why is it required immunodeficiency? They required a deficiency in their immune systems. And it's something else, something weird. I actually was doing, as an undergraduate, I did some research looking at trying to discover antifungal drugs. And I was dealing with the fungus all the time that killed, at least at that time, I looked up the numbers. At that time, it killed about 15% of all people in the United States with died from AIDS. They died from this one fungus. I was around it all the time.